Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Werfault.exe application error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the Werfault.exe application error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you simple method how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to just type here cmd, then right click on that, then click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow. Here you need to type couple of command. The first command is net space stop space WERSVC, then hit enter. After that type the second command, that is sc space config space WERSVC space start hyphen demand, then hit enter. After completion of this, just close this command prompt, then restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Werfault.exe application error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.